Oh, and look, another sakura tree. What a beautiful little temple area. Beautiful. Look at this one. This one is in full bloom. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video and greetings from Tokyo. And so we're walking around my neighborhood of Nakano, and today I hear that the cherry blossoms are in full bloom in my neighborhood, and so I thought I should take you guys along with me. The first cherry blossoms of the season. I do have to say though, it's quite a chilly day today. It was warm until yesterday, and then suddenly it's cold again. But you know, this is normal weather during the springtime, especially when the cherry blossoms bloom. I also want to show you guys some of the cherry blossoms in this area. I'm actually nearby Numabukuro station, and that's one station away from where I live. And this is kind of a new street. Not too familiar with this particular street, but look, there's a beautiful cherry blossom tree right here. This is the weeping willow type of cherry blossom tree here in someone's backyard. It's quite beautiful. The people who live here must really have a beautiful view of the cherry blossoms from the second floor. So the first part of this video is going to be a walk through a local neighborhood in Tokyo. And then after that, we'll go to Nakano, which is the main street of Nakano, and it should be really beautiful. There's a garbage truck in front of us, but right here, this household here also has a beautiful sakura tree in their yard. Look at that, full bloom. Look how beautiful this house is. Oh, I like this house. And you know, unfortunately, even though the sakura is just starting to bloom and full bloom in some places, let's turn here. Unfortunately, the weather forecast is rain starting tomorrow and until lasting for the next 4 days. So that's unfortunate. So crossing my fingers that the flower petals don't fall off the trees. It's also drizzling, starting to drizzle right now. So please don't rain. I don't want rain today. Onegaishimasu. And this is a little park. It's a really small park. But yeah, I used to come here now and then. A lot of memories. And I lived on the left. If you turn left here, I lived in an apartment on the left. I lived there for about 3 years. This was before I met Satoshi. And then I met him while I was living here. And then I think only after about 3 months, we moved in together. Oh, and look, another sakura tree. These are the white blossoms. They're hard to take footage or pictures of because, especially under the white hazy sky, the cloudy sky, because the flowers themselves are white. This used to be my dentist. I used to go here. And I do hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are today. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments, okay? I myself am doing great. There is currently a helicopter in the sky flying right above us, so sorry about the noise. But look, here's another sakura tree, and right next to it in this person's backyard are these citrus fruits here. We're just coming up to the Shotengai or shopping street in Numabukuro. I know this shopping street is going through a lot of changes at the moment. It's kind of sad for me personally, but you see these empty lots that you see here. Okay, this side hasn't really changed much, but if you walk down this way, we're not really gonna go down that way. Actually, I changed my mind. I will show you a little bit. That way you know what I'm talking about. So this fishmonger here has been here for the longest time, so I'm happy to see that. So all the shops were up to here, including this side. Like there were shops until that's the end of the sidewalk. But as you can see, Now there are buildings that are pushed back. Also on this side here, you see they're pushed back. And they're doing this on this entire Shotengai street. You see here, so they're purposely not going to build anything here. This building is new and it's been pushed back. And these are two buildings as well. So just imagine when I lived here back in the day, there were these mom and pop stores that went all the way to the edge of this sidewalk. So this Shotengai used to be a lot livelier, but the reason why they're doing that is because they want to widen this particular street. So it's going to become like a normal two-way street. And so if you wanted to get from this side to that side, you probably have to use like a crosswalk or something. So that's kind of sad. This florist was always here. So we'll see how long they last. This one, they've closed down and this building is probably going to be torn apart. This one, most likely as well. You see, these are ready for the new street. I used to come to this chicken place called Fuji. Really, really delicious chicken. Yeah, the man is still working there. Look at this. But the reason why they're doing that is because it's to make this street easier for ambulances and fire trucks to get through. Because right now it's a single lane street with people and bicycles walking. And so I guess it's necessary in a way, but it does make me a little bit sad. Okay, so this video is supposed to be about the sakura. Sorry about that. Oh, this store right here used to be a florist when I lived here, and I worked here. Yeah, I actually worked at a florist just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. I wanted experience in flower arrangement. That's why I worked there just for a tiny bit, like 8 months. You notice that I like to cut through residential areas, the quieter streets. It is the longer way actually for today. It's much easier if I just stuck to the main street with the cars, but I find them quite noisy and not relaxing and not interesting to walk along. But that's just me. So, just like that street in Numabukuro, where things are changing, I guess change is inevitable. It'll happen. But sometimes it makes me sad, Sometimes I'm sad, but then also I can see the necessity in some changes. Okay, as I was talking into the camera, I just kind of like walked into this street by accident. I've never been along this street. What is this? Is this someone's home or is this a temple? Oh, it's a temple, I think. Can we enter? Oh, I see. Yeah, there's a graveyard area over there. Ah, beautiful. I think that's maybe Momo. I'm not sure. Oh, I wonder if I can. Well, oh yeah, I think I can walk through here. What a beautiful little temple area. I didn't even know about this place. And I lived here for 3 years. Oh, yeah, there is a temple. Oh, actually, I think I have been to this temple. I just never walked through the gardens. Okay, so this is the neighborhood temple. There's also a shrine in the neighborhood as well. But this one is a temple. Right, and this is a temple gate. I've always walked through this main entrance here. All right, well, look at this tree. Okay, but yeah, this is the temple. Where exactly am I? Okay, kind of lost now. Why am I lost? Oh, the first time I'm seeing this row of shops here. There's a rainbow flag there. But it's a bar maybe. There's a little restaurant here. I see. I see. I know where we are now. So the train station is over there. Yeah, they are also redoing the whole train station. So a lot of construction is going on there. And then yeah, my hairstylist used to also be down the street. No longer in operation. Thinking, should I keep going this way? This is a shortcut. No, I'll just take the shortcut. Yeah, this is actually one of the side streets of the Shotengai. Yeah, this is the station. You guys can hear the train now. This is the small neighborhood supermarket. There used to be a big supermarket in the area, but they tore it down because of the new station area that they're building. They have been working on this for a while now. Huge construction. Basically what they're doing is they're making new train tracks underground instead of above, and then they're going to cover the whole street. The trains are not going to be running on ground level. Anyway, yeah, see, this is another side alleyway of one of the Shoten guys. Hopefully this will remain. See, look at all this construction. The supermarket used to be right over here, right here. But now we're doing all this construction work here. And let's see, yeah, this used to be something. I don't remember what this was. And then a bank used to be on this corner in front of us. You see, this is the Shotengai that we're walking along. The road that they're trying to widen. There used to be a bank there. And this is the train tracks. We're going to walk across it. And you can see the construction going on. Oh. Okay. And then, well, once again, this is Numabukuro station. This is the temporary station. Just about a 3-minute walk from the station, there is this park here. It's a pretty big park, and I used to come here all the time. We brought Justin here all the way from our station when he was younger because there is a dog park here. So this is the park here. It's Heiwa no Mori Park. Heiwa no Mori Koen. So much memories. We're not going to walk through the park because I want to show you guys the sakura on the main street. But even this little road here is pleasant to walk along. Did you guys watch the video that I made in Kagoshima? I made 5 videos in total. I should say it's more like 4 videos because one is basically me, quick footage of me on the bus and then on the plane in Tokyo. But I hope you guys watched it. Which part did you enjoy the most? Which particular video did you enjoy the most? I would love to know. Alright guys, so we are approaching Nakano Dori, famous for their cherry blossoms. This is great. I can already see the trees. It's beautiful, I think. First time this year. Beautiful. Look at this one. This one is in full bloom. Kirei. Let me show you why this place is so popular and famous. This whole street on both sides is lined with cherry blossoms. Not only that side, but also, also this side, this whole street. So we're gonna walk along this street all the way to Nakano Station. that was beautiful. Unfortunately, it is starting to rain, so I'm going to end this video. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!